turning this adorable little crate from the Dollar Tree into a little decoration for your table, for your tier trays, just to put around your house. This is gonna look really cute. So I'm gonna take this and we're gonna make this into something cute. The first thing we're gonna do is get some paint on it. My favorite way to paint things like this, where it is just the natural wood, is to make a stain with paint. It's super easy, it's super quick, and it dries really fast. So what I do is take a little bit of paint, just some acrylic paint, and a baby white. You can also use any wet wipe. You can also use wet paper towels. You can also add a little bit of water and paint it on, but I like to rub it on. So I just dab it, get a little bit on the wipe, and then just wipe it on. So this is going to give a look of stain. It doesn't use as much paint. It's super easy to do. And it really does kind of bring out some of the wood grain. If you want it to be lighter, you can just go ahead and wipe it off. If you want it to be darker, you can go back in with another coat. Okay. I'm not too worried about the inside because we're going to put something in there. Okay. Super cute. And the best thing is, you can wipe off your hands when you're done. If you want to antique this, you can take one of these dry brushes. You can see how rough it is. And you just take a little bit of white acrylic paint, dab it off, and then brush it across, and that will give you that antique look. But what we're gonna do is we're actually going to decorate inside here. So I just wanna get the measurement of what I need to place in there. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this down. There we go. All right. If you want this to be permanent, then you would want to glue this piece in. If you don't want it to be permanent, then don't glue it in. You can just put it in, and then you'll be able to take it back out later if you want to switch it out with something else. Because I do want to keep it in here. All right, so I'm just going to put some glue on the bottom of this. Okay, and then I'll just plop it right back down in there. Okay, and now it's going to stay in there. So I went to the Dollar Tree. Oh, these are all from the Dollar Tree. And I picked up these little carrots. I've seen these cute little baskets and little containers with the carrots on them, and they were ridiculously expensive. So I thought, I'll just make my own. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna glue the carrots all the way across and just make it look super cute. You could go all the way around, you could just do the front, you could do the sides. It's just really whatever you like. And what I'll do is just put some glue on here. Now you can see this is already dry. I use a glue pot, so when I'm using the glue pot, sometimes if I'm gonna glue something across, I will use a silicone spatula here. Just get my glue on. Then I can go ahead and start gluing my carrots on. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? That's gonna be so cute. You want to work in small spaces because the glue will dry quickly. So I'll just do a couple at a time. Oh, I think I need a little bit more. Okay. Look how stinking cute is that. Okay. Make sure none of them are down too far. That's fine. Okay. If you have big glue globs, what you can do is wait until it dries and run a little bit of a hair dryer over it with a low temperature just to get some of that glue off. You can also go back and put a little bit more paint in there. You could also take your carrot, run the glue down the carrot, and place that on. So either way you want to do it works. Both work well. You just want to take your carrots and glue each one individually in the front, back, and I'm doing the sides as well. Now you could do all around or you could do just part of it. It really is up to you and what you want it to look like. If you wanted to, you could put some on the corners. I think it's cute the way it is. Okay. So I have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 of them on here. Look how cute that is. Okay, so now we can decorate the inside and just make it look super cute. I have this adorable little bunny we could put in here. How cute is that? So this is one of the bunnies from the Dollar Tree. You could do something smaller because this is a little bit big, but I think they also have these cute little carrots that kind of look like trees. And they have these adorable little eggs. Okay, so you could put some little florals in here and put the little eggs in. You could even just put the eggs in without the styrofoam and just make it a cute little egg basket. All right, so we're gonna put some florals in. We'll use some of their greenery. I love their greenery this year. They really did a great job with their greenery this year. I love greenery that you can push up. They have a ton of cute florals this year. So what I'll do is I'll start with the greenery. Okay. Just gonna kind of place it in. So remember, we're gonna put this little bunny in, so we really only need to go up to about here. We can have some behind him as well. And we may do that, just put it in and make it kind of look like he sat down among the flowers. There we go. Okay. I love these because they have this grass. The grass is super long. Yeah, I think it'll be cute. So we're gonna put this up behind the bunny. So we're gonna kind of put it in like that so that the grass is kind of hanging up. See, and then you can kind of see it behind him like that. Okay. So this will create some height behind him. So that when we put him in, it kind of looks like he sat on and pushed out some grass. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right, so to get him in, we can actually just use a couple pieces left over. Okay. So he's made of styrofoam, so I'm just going to put it in. And one thing you can do is put it at an angle, and that will keep it in a little bit easier. If you're having any trouble, try putting it in at an angle. Okay. And then this will get glued and put right into the styrofoam. There we go. Oh, he is so cute. All right. a few little florals in here. Okay. There we go. Just add a little color in here. That's cute. White in there. This. You can put a little purple in. Oh, that's so cute. Let's put a little bit more purple. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is purple, clearly. If I could get away with it, I would have purple hair. Oh, that is so cute. Let's put one more white. Oh, how cute is that? So we have a nice cute little arrangement, all from Dollar Tree. And what I can do when I set it up in my house, I'll take these little eggs and kind of set the eggs around in here, like this. These little eggs from the Dollar Tree are really cute. They also have these little beads that you can make one of those little bead garlands. But they also have some, so you can drape your little garlands around it. It's just adorable. So I hope you enjoyed this. This was a lot of fun and super easy to do. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. See you soon. Bye, y'all.